Hi, and welcome to this tutorial where I show you how to download and configure the Revit model for the overhead sectional door Crawford OH1142P. You can find our complete BIM portfolio in our website or alternatively in bimobject.com. To access the model through our website, I will search for the Crawford OH1142P door and land in the product page. Now, under Downloads, BIM Objects, I can download the Revit family and material library for this product. If you choose to download via BIM Object, simply access the ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems brand page. Click on the Overhead Sectional Doors collection, and from there you can download the Revit files. I will now open the file and show you how it can be configured. I will use a sample project with just a simple wall and import the OH1142P Revit family that we just downloaded. Now that the Revit family is placed in my project, I can configure it following the product specifications. In the Properties menu on the left, you can see the different instance parameters available for this door. Everything from the dimension of the door to materials and window types. When you see the door both in plan and 3D view, you'll see a clearance zone. This shows the space required for installation and operation. It will help you make sure that the door will not interfere with any other elements in your building. You can choose to hide the clearance zone by turning off the clearance zone parameter. And if you want to have it on again, you just need to turn it on again. If we look at the model, we can see that the door is quite detailed. We can see the material applied to the door both on the outside and inside, the number of panels, track set type, and the number of windows, for example. On the Properties menu, you can select the track set type. For this door, we have high lift and vertical lift available. In the Type of Section parameters, you can choose the window type for each panel, or simply choose a panel without windows. The number of windows is automatically calculated based on the width of the door. Under Materials and Finishes, you'll find two parameters where you can select the color for the inside and outside door leaf. The Crawford OH1142P comes with a standard range of raw colors. You can import the material library file that you downloaded before to guide you on this. Under Dimensions, you will see two types of instance parameters. The ones in black, which can be changed, and the ones grayed out, which are the corrected values. You can change the width and height of the door using the dimension parameters. There is a minimum and maximum value. If you choose dimensions that are not compatible with the product configuration, the size will be automatically corrected to the closest dimension available. In this case, the dimension applied to the model will be displayed in the instance parameters that are grayed out, and you will get an error message. The same applies to the high lift and inclination of the horizontal track. Under Mechanical Properties, you can choose the position of the control box, whether it should be left or right, and its location. For the OH1142P, it can be placed on the track or on the wall. This was a tutorial for the Crawford OH1142P model. As mentioned earlier, you can find BIM models for other overhead sectional doors, as well as other products, either on our website or in bimobject.com. Thank you for watching.